back. This is Dr. Rohit from Indian Students Academy and Rohit Productions. As we all know, decision making plays a very important role in our life. In any sphere of life, in every situation, we should know the importance of decision making. A small story I want to share with you all. If there are 35 students in your batch, let's say decision making. So this chart goes decision making. "35 students in your batch. 34 and the 35th do not like each other. They indulge in a small fight. They should not indulge in a fight. They can avoid it, but still they indulge in some fight. Indulge in a fight. So what happens next? This 34 and this 35. 35 is very influential. He has a lot of friends in the batch. He knows how to fight. But then he doesn't work. All his mind is on fight and play. No work, all play, all fight. So this 35 day and night is doing WhatsApp, messaging, calling all the 33 people around about the same. 34 is going to suffer because of 35. But these 33 people will always remain on the top of the 33, of the 35. These 33 will always be in the top. In the view of management, in the view of everyone, these 33 will always have a good career, will have a good excellence in their academics, and will have a long-term career. 34 and 35 will always be 34 and 35. They can interchange. 35 can become 34 or 34 can become 35. But then on long-term career, 34 and 35 are screwed. 34 doesn't involve, he wants to avoid the fight. In his defense, he says, I don't want to fight, I avoided it, but then it was initiated by 35. So 34 can still have a good amount of positive image which is being displayed. 35, being a very aggressive person, will always be a 35. He can never be the first, never be the second, because he has given a reason for not being the first or the second. He will always be a 35. So this is what happens when you fight. 34 and 35. You will always be 34 and 35. So remember not to fight. Be on those 33 who will never fight, so that whenever you have your career, you have something in your hand, you can take this opportunity and no one can blame you. So this is what is regarding decision making. Small fights which can be avoided should be avoided. Your concentration should be on your studies, not on fights. Fights will not give you a long-term career. Your studies, academics, your foundation will. This was a small lesson. Another lesson regarding this is about decision making is sometimes we have many options in our life. Many times we have two options where we say what to do next. I'm 11th standard, I'm the 10th standard, I should first in the 10th standard. Now what next? Changing my school, changing my stream. These all things comes. Should I go for commerce? Should I go for science? Should I go for some other arts stream? Or should I join some other school? Or should I join some college? These all things. So there are two ways to it. What is right for you? What is wrong for you? There are two doors in some situations. One is the right decision and one is the wrong decision. The right decision will take you to where you want to. The wrong decision will always be a hindrance in your career and your pursuits of interest. One more thing regarding a decision making, a very small model I have. Hopefully you all love it. This is what I can have something for you, so that even the students of school and college can understand. This has got let's say four doors or four openings. So one at a time. This is what your career is. This is what your opportunities are. One at a time. If you open two at a time, you mess up. Open one at a time. Anyone. Think about it. Take your time. Think about it. Open one at a time. If you do not open anything, you will not get anything. If you try to open everything, you will make a mess. If you open one door, whichever you feel, at the right time, at the right place, you will get what you want. Sometimes things are very easy. I know that if I open the first door, it will open and I will have whatever I want. But then I might try to spend some time thinking, then opening the last door, which might be jammed, which might not open. Sometimes like things are very simple, straight, and people tend to take a view which is very much, you can say, confusing. So if I have an opportunity which is directly given to me, and I know that this is a better opportunity for me, I have someone who is actually spoon feeding me, who is actually giving me an opportunity in my hand. Take that offer, go for it. Most of the students, most of the professionals, 80 to 90% of the professionals make a mistake. Even if the opportunities are very genuine, very rare, most of the people miss out. They try to wait. They try opening other doors which are not for them. They confuse themselves, their career, and thus they are not able to get what they want. So there are two kinds of things. One more thing I want to tell you: whenever you do something, like in the case of 33, 34, 35, so this was the case. So in the case, the one will always have an eye on 33 and 35, 34 and 35. So his target would be 33, 34, 35. The one who is supervising them or one who is ahead of them. But then the one who is above them will have a broad overview. He will ignore these 35 altogether. His concentration will be the other 50, other 75, other 150. So this 35 will always be at a loss. And this person will always have a look at 34, 35, 33, all these 33. So in short, even this person will not grow, this 33 will not grow, 34 will not grow, and 35 will not grow. This is what happens when you have someone this is a flowchart, someone which is looking at you. So this was regarding the decision making. One thing can be done: either you can walk in a forward way or you can walk in a backward way. Either this 34 and 35 together meet up and help each other, or they possibly ignore each other for some time. They are two parts of the pole of the earth. They went and they started their career ignoring, being strangers. They can still be successful, and they can be more successful than all of these. Or what they can do is they can be friends, which is a little impossible, as this 32, 33 people will always be in between. So this will always be a hindrance.